Gonna get super technical today. Little discussion on wiper blades. The factory blades lasted 2 years on my 2020 expedition. The parts store ones were, I think, 30 bucks for 2 of them, and they lasted a couple months at best. All 3 blades from the dealer, $48 out the door. We'll see. Super frustrating is I think I bought Bosch blades. I don't even remember, but there's nothing for less than 20 bucks a blade. Oh, I take that back. The very cheapest. So the days of a $4 Inco are apparently long gone. I can get a value craft for 8 bucks. That's about what I felt with. I'm pretty sure they were Bosch I bought. That lasted a couple months. So there's my rant on wiper blades. What do you think, Oscar? What do you think, Oscar? Are they gonna work? Oh, look at them go.